This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System. Part 1. In the first part, I am going to ask you some general questions on familiar topics. Do you use computers?
Yes, I use computer at my work and at my home because I have keep the shape of my data and documents. When I have many photos and video, I oftenly keep the shape in the computer. Especially, I use the computer for my learning and watching of movies. Sometimes I take entertainment. Especially, I have learned online class. That times I use oftenly in the computer.
What do you use a computer to do?
Uh, I do the computers for keep of photos, videos, and my personal data, personal documents, especially in the computers, where also they cannot delete it and they cannot remove. So I keep it there. And another is I have watched more video and playing games on the computers because there are big screen and clean display quality is very good in my computers. Also,
Did you use computers when you were little?
definitely no. When I was so little, that times I have no computer, so I didn't use to any types of computer. But if I had a computer, I will probably choose to computer for watching video games and playing games. Many children would like to play games for their computers, especially they cannot get, and especially I cannot get it my childhood. Especially I have own mobiles, whereas I can.
Do people often use computers these days?
Definitely, yes. People obviously use to computers for their work, for their study. Anytime they have used the computer because of it is the easy. You can carry out where you can go. First of all, computer is the more easiest, and sometimes you can time manage of your work and of your study. It is so easy to use, and sometimes you can entertainment for watching movies.
Will people continue to use computers in the future?
Yeah, probably yes. Because of people will probably use in the future computers because computer is more important. There is no doubt computer has revolutionized of people lives. Firstly, any technology, any science technology makes with by the computers at the moment, whereas most required computer all the times for those scientists especially because
Who is your favorite celebrity?
um, my favorite celebrity is the Prakash Saput, which is the best singer of the Nepal. He is also famous and he is involved in the social work. For the last time, he is coming in the he was coming in the Gurai concert, where also I have gone to the airport with my friends, and sometimes it is the good opportunity to meet Prakash Saput. That times I have taken photos and video with Prakash.
Do you like any foreign celebrities?
Definitely, I like foreign celebrities like actress um, Allu Arjun, who is the most famous of the Indian movies. He is the one of the best actors. His intelligent talent is very good. Also, I have followed their fashionable things where also I attraction many times. In audition, he's the one of the best actors of India. Many times he
Would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
definitely yes. Obviously, if I have the chance, I will probably switch to the celebrity because of when else people go to the famous, that times people can get a more respect for the public and also public respect, public loves and cares all the time. So they have a good opportunity to know about and public comprehensive you. So if I have the chance, I will probably make a celebrity in my future.
Do you think we should protect famous people's privacy?
Definitely, yes. I think famous people protection of their privacy, right to privacy, because privacy is the most important at the moment, whereas some celebrity cannot share their privacy, their events, their experience, whereas it is the most effective means for their lives. So Some media, some advertisements cannot share their
How do celebrities influence their fans in your country?
celebrity influence in my country, especially fans. They have give good opportunity and also they have give to some motivation for their fans and for their fam. Because of it is the most important when you are give to the motivation for your friends and for your fans, especially that times they have good opportunity and you can involve social skills. And
That is the end of part 1. Part 2. In the second part, I will give you a topic and I would like you to speak for longer on a topic. Before you talk, you will have some time to think about what you are going to say. You might make some notes if you wish. I will tell you when time is up. Your question reads: Your preparation time is up. Please begin speaking and do not stop until I say so.
okay, thank you for that. I would like to talk about my local shopping area, whereas I often bought different types of clothes and different types of things for my daily life and for my years. Especially in my hometowns, and there are many shops. Some shops is the most famous, and some shops is not famous nowadays. But especially there are got to different types of clothes and different types of things. In addition, in my shops there are got all types of brand clothes like different types of equipment for homemade and their personal lives in the supermarket. We're also located in my Croydon, maybe far away my hometown. Maybe I have to walk for 30 minutes to find that shops. That shops is the central of the towns where some people can easily access many things. That is big city and big modern supermarket of the Nepal. Also, there are all things it got it at the moment. Uh, I think that shops is more advantage for the that is the very cheaper than otherwise supermarket compare this, because that shop is the low cheaper because there are hometowns place people are often prefer to low kinds of shopping. Moreover, if I have to think, it will be more popular in the future because that is the most attraction many people, and that is the very crowded place nowadays, whereas people can buy to many things, but there are some lack of equipment, whereas customer respect and customer attraction things.
Okay, that is the end of part 2. In the third part, I would like to discuss with you about more abstract issues and ideas. Do many people eat in restaurants in your country?
Definitely yes. Many people are restaurant fast food at their restaurant at the moment, because if there enough money, people often go to the hotel restaurant for celebrating different types of party with their friends and family at the moment. Especially they want to enjoy more times because restaurants fast food is the most so famous in my local towns. For the last times I have gone to there for with my friends and family. I have some eaten delivery thali, delivery thali, that is the big city of the there, and that is the combination of chicken and mutton's biryani, whereas most famous for me and my favorite is the biryani.
Why do some people enjoy eating out?
So, I think people are enjoying to eat out because they have a good and they have a more money, especially firstly, because they want to enjoy more times with their family and friends for stay their comfortable sofas in the hotel restaurants because of they want to enjoy more times unforgettable moment of their lives taking up photos and makes of videos in addition they are more cooperative person and always inquisitive person, always doing the extra work after finishing their work. So that types of person would like to go restaurants and celebration different types of party if there enough money, especially if you have a
Is it expensive to eat out in your country?
Definitely no. In my country, eating out is not expensive. Many people are prefer to go to the local restaurants and local shops. There are some luxury restaurants are so expensive for the last times. For example, I have gone to the Butol, which was located far away my hometown. That times I have gone to the given exam for my Lok Seva civil engineer. That times I have booked one hotels in the Lakshmi hotels, which is the more expensive than other hotels. I think that hotels is the luxury, but there are many things is available. Whereas I can easily access more things like swimming, cleaning foods, there and another AC.
Let's move on from eating in restaurants to cooking at home. Do you like to cook at home?
Yeah, obviously I like to cook at my home because I want to help with my mom's. My mom is always cooking for our family. So definitely, if I have to free times, I will probably go to the cook with my family and family for my family. In addition, when I have a cooking, that times my mind is fresh, especially, and I can access more things on the cooking. Especially, my brain is so fast, and I like to cook, and especially I like to cooking meats and rice, especially in my house. When someone guests are coming in my house, I can offer to get a meats and offer to meats to eat. Yeah, obviously.
Nowadays, more and more people are unwilling to cook. Why is this happening?
Um, because of many people would like to cook for their self, especially cooking is also popular every social media like it was going to the viral for the last times. Such as many Facebook, many YouTube, and many TikTok. Also, cooking facilities is so popular, whereas many students and attraction to studying cooking management at the moment, hotel management especially, whereas it is the best for yourself and you can learn about what is the good quality food and what food is the nutrients, what food is the healthy for ourselves. So moreover, you can enjoy more times of yourself.
What's the difference between restaurant food and home cooked food?
Definitely, there are several different restaurant food. It's not organic and not nutrients for yourself. Restaurant foods is always combination to different types of chemical, fast food, and also sugar, whereas people can most effective negative effectiveness for their people health. So I don't like to restaurant food. I often choose to house made food because house-made food is more organic vegetables and there are enough food and not mix not combination to any types of chemicals which also is good for health and even healthy of your life. Furthermore, it is the best for everyone.
Okay, that is the end of part 3. That is the end of speaking test.